Hello kids, let's learn science with Teacher Shafi'ah, Human Blood Circulatory System. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe the function of the main parts involved in human blood circulatory system, sketch the pathways of blood circulation, and also summarize the importance of blood circulatory system in human body. When we breathe, we will inhale a lot of oxygen and exhale a lot of carbon dioxide. Oxygen is needed by our body so that our cell can make energy for us. But how does the oxygen goes into our body cell? Yes, the blood circulatory system transport all the oxygen throughout our body and transport carbon dioxide to be excreted by the lungs. What happens when we eat? When we eat, all the nutrients from the food are being absorbed at the intestine. But how does the nutrient go to our body cell? Yes, the blood in circulatory system carried all those nutrients to our body cells. Now, can you imagine if human doesn't have the blood circulatory system? Oh no, what will happen to us? Think about it. So, what is exactly human blood circulatory system? Blood circulatory system transport oxygen, nutrients, water, and waste product in our body. So now let's move to the main parts of our blood circulatory system. The first part is our lungs. The second part is blood vessel. The part is heart and also the blood. The function of the lungs are the lungs are the organs where the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen occurs. While the heart is the organ that pumps the blood to the lungs and the whole body. The heart have two parts, left side and the right side. The right side of the heart pumps blood that is rich in carbon dioxide to the lungs, while the left side of the heart pumps blood that is rich in oxygen to the whole body. This is the blood vessel. The blood vessel is a tube that allows the blood to flow. It transports blood to the whole body. This is the red blood cell. The red blood cell has a shape like a disc. Blood flows through a network of blood vessels to every part of the body. Blood carries oxygen, nutrients, water, and waste products. Waste products such as carbon dioxide removed from the lungs when we exhale. Now let's take a look at human blood circulatory pathway. Do you know our blood circulatory system is closely related to the respiratory system? Okay, now let's take a look at this diagram. The red one indicates the blood rich in oxygen and the blue one indicates the blood rich in carbon dioxide. When we inhale, the oxygen goes to the lungs and transported to the heart by the blood. The heart pumps the blood rich in oxygen to the whole body. This is shown by the red path. While when the oxygen uses by the body cell, it will produce carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide goes into the blood and being carried to the heart and pumped to the lungs to be excreted. Now let's take a look step by step on how does our circulatory system works. First, when we inhale, the air that enters the lungs is rich in oxygen and is absorbed into the blood vessel. Next, here the blood is known as the blood rich in oxygen. The heart pumps the blood that is rich in oxygen to the whole body. When the body uses the oxygen, carbon dioxide is produced and absorbed into the blood. Here, the blood is known as the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Blood rich in carbon dioxide is transported to the heart. From the heart, the blood rich in carbon dioxide will be pumped to the lungs. When we exhale, carbon dioxide is removed from the lungs. So, this is how all the parts of this system works. The blood circulation process is repeated each time we breathe. Can you imagine that? Our heart beats 100,000 times in one day, and it makes about 3.5 million times in a year. Isn't it amazing? Now let's move into the importance of human blood circulatory system. Human blood circulatory system transport oxygen, nutrients and water to the whole body. Blood transport oxygen from the lungs throughout the body. The body containing nutrients absorbed from the intestine is brought to the heart before pumped to the whole body. It also transports carbon dioxide and other waste products to be removed from the body. Blood transports carbon dioxide from the whole body to the lungs. Blood also transports waste products from the body to excretory organs such as kidneys, where they are removed. That's all for today. I hope you are getting something from this video. See you next time.